Hi, my name is Bobby Thakur and I'm founder and chairman of Council India.
In a world where mental health often remains in the shadows, two visionaries dare to make a difference. Meet Bobby Thakur and Shivam Dikshit, the founders of Council India.
The story or the starting of Council India is really interesting. Back then, my college days, I was very confused related to the career. लाइफ में एक बार तो ऐसा टाइम आता है, ऐसा मोमेंट आता है जहां आप सोचते हो कि जो भी आप कर रहे हो, जैसा भी आप कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, और उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचते मैं इमोशनली इतना अलग स्टेज में चला गया कि मुझे नई चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिली. मतलब एक नई ही दुनिया जिसमें इमोशंस था, जिसमें थॉट्स थे, जिसमें पता चला कि सिंपल लॉजिकल होने के अलावा भी कुछ चीज़ें हैं और वो चीज़ें इतने लेवल पे, इमोशनल लेवल पे वो जुड़ी हुई हैं कि वो आपको बर्बाद कर सकती हैं, आपको बना सकती हैं.
In 2016, Council India began its journey in Delhi, sparking a revolution in mental health awareness with sessions at Delhi University. Council India's journey began by reaching out to the heart of communities, 100+ villages, government schools, remand homes, juvenile homes and orphanages. Their goal? Spread awareness about the importance of mental health and provide counseling sessions.
So we started visiting NGOs, government schools, villages, outskirts, remand home, custody hall.
By 2017, the mission expanded to villages and schools, offering free mental health services, and soon after, to corporations and educators, multiplying our impact.
तो उस टाइम पे हमने एक चीज़ ऑब्जर्व करी कि लॉट ऑफ वेल विशर्स वर देयर, एडवाइजर्स वर देयर, और वो आज भी हमारे साथ है. तो उन्होंने हमें बोला कि यार अगर आप फ्री में दोगे ना तो इसकी इतनी वैल्यू नहीं होगी, और जो आपका विजन है कहीं ना कहीं उस विजन को भी अचीव करने के लिए यू नीड मनी. कोशिश करी स्टूडेंट्स तक रीच करने की, स्कूल्स में गए, कोचिंग सेंटर्स में गए, स्टूडेंट्स को अप्रोच किया, बट वी गॉट फेल्ड सक्सेसफुली.
As challenges emerged, so did opportunities. Enter the Mind Power Training, MPT, a 21-day program designed to empower individuals, helping them build a belief system for internal growth. The success of MPT fueled their ambition.
फिर से काउंसलिंग सेशंस स्टार्ट करे, प्लस ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करी.
By 2018, Council India extended its impact, reaching 8+ colleges, 15+ corporates, and beyond with the MPT product.
हमारा ऑफिस उस टाइम पे मालवीय नगर था, और ऑफिस भी ऐसा था कि यू विल नॉट बिलीव, एक छोटा सा कमरा, उसमें 8 लोगों की सिटिंग थी, और उस 8 लोगों की सिटिंग में भी 2 कंपनीज काम करती थी. मतलब एक काउंसिल इंडिया और एक और कोई कंपनी थी.
Engaging talk shows, webinars, and our office inauguration marked our growth through 2019, while 2020 saw the launch of innovative psychology courses.
Hi, my name is Devendra Kumar, Chief Strategy Advisor at Council India. What a journey, a fantastic roller coaster journey it has been for last, for more than 5 years by now.
काउंसिल इंडिया के लिए कोविड एक वरदान की तरह साबित हुआ है. कोविड में हम कंप्लीटली ऑनलाइन शिफ्ट हुए. हमने कंपनी के सारे प्रोसेसेस टेक्नोलॉजी पे हम ले गए. तो टेक्नोलॉजी के जो मेजर एंट्री है काउंसिल इंडिया में, वो कोविड के दौरान आई, और उसने हमें हमारी रीच को मल्टीफोल्ड टाइम बढ़ा दी.
Well, the COVID-19 pandemic posed a challenge, but Council India saw it as an opportunity. Adapting to the virtual era, they saw their practical courses online, making education accessible to people across India and beyond. They didn't just teach psychology, they added entrepreneurship to the curriculum, a pioneering move in the field. Our reach extended globally, touching over 1 lakh listeners across 22 countries by 2022.
We came up with an idea कि यार हम लोग ना MEPSC जो सेक्टर स्किल काउंसिल है, why we should not come up with something with government.
In this period, we did a lot of A/B testings. We built the long-term roadmap and the company strategy.
So back then, when I joined Council India, I was just a single person in the team, and it has been a exceptional journey.
We just started from scratch, like we'll have 3 to 4 people. So now it's been expanded up to more, you can say hardly 300, 400. Now on coming upcoming quarters, we are planning for 750 to 900 employees too.
The best part about this journey has been that we have faced all the hurdles and we have excelled at everything that we have done.
We feel that this is a big achievement for us.
And in 2023, our innovation was globally recognized. This is the story of Counsel India, a beacon of change in the realm of mental health education. From humble beginnings to a 30 crore yearly revenue, Shivam Dikshit and Bobby Thakur have not just built a platform, they have crafted a movement that is transforming lives.
Now you know who we are. We are Counsel India!